All right, so I'm working on my starter on the 86 Toyota truck, and it wasn't starting, so I've been banging on the starter lately, but I said, you know what, I need to change it. So this is what I found out. Look at this, 2 screws missing. Can you believe it? God dang it. I hate when people just don't do the right way. And luckily, the last one is still there. Otherwise, I would have lost everything. So I'm just gonna flip the solenoid. Maybe the copper washer is probably okay. I might not even have to flip it, but that's all it needs.